Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital presence with Wix step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Wix account if you haven't already. Visit the Wix website and click on Get Started. Enter your email and create a password. Once registered, choose between a template or a blank site. For beginners, selecting a template can provide a solid foundation. Browse the available categories and pick a design that fits your brand. Click Edit Site to access the Wix editor. Familiarize yourself with the editor layout and tools. Start by customizing the home page to reflect your brand identity. Add your logo and choose a color scheme that aligns with your branding. Use high-quality images to enhance visual appeal. Incorporate engaging content focusing on your target audience. Add text boxes to provide information about your services or products. Be sure to include clear calls to action throughout the site. Create additional pages like About Us, Services, and Contact. Use the menu settings to organize your site structure effectively. Optimize your content for search engines by adding relevant keywords. Utilize Wix's SEO tools to improve your site's visibility. Consider adding a blog to share updates and insights. Regularly update your blog with relevant content to engage visitors. Integrate social media links to connect with your audience on other platforms. Preview your site frequently to ensure it appears as intended. Once satisfied, click on Publish to make your site live. Promote your new website through social media and email marketing. Track your website's performance using Wix's analytics tools. Continuously update and refine your site based on user feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.